Okay, so here we are, we're making our salami. We've got about a 50-50 blend of pork and venison here. We've already mixed up our cure in the bowl here. And I added a little bit of liquid smoke because this time we're not smoking it, we're just going to bake it. We got some jalapenos chopped up and then our high heat cheese. So first thing we're going to do is put all this in our lem mixer. We've already done a couple of batches, so here we go. Let's see if we can make a mess. Alright, go ahead. She'll mix it up. As she stirs, I'm going to be dumping in our cure and seasoning slowly. We'll just keep mixing it until it gets kind of tacky, sticky to the touch. Slowly add in some of these jalapenos. You can always add other things. My dad likes to add green olives or pine nuts. Just kind of whatever you want to add or however much money you want to spend, really. Okay, there's a couple cups of jalapenos. Now we'll start adding a little bit of that high heat cheese. Okay, here's the finished batch after we've mixed it for a while. It's nice and tacky and evenly mixed. And now we're going to stuff it. We're going to transfer it to the grinder. We've got a stuffer here. We've already been going, so we still got some meat in there. And we're using the, what are these? The 3-pound casings. They're pretty big casings. Alright. We're going to put the casing over the stuffer here. Got Mom making the balls of meat and Taylor's stuffing them. Ready? Here we go. the tube's full, we're gonna zip tie it closed so it's ready to bake. Go ahead. We let them cure overnight in the fridge and then bake them at 225 degrees until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees. Takes about 2 hours.
Here's the finished product of our salami. We wrap the others and put them in the freezer where we can thaw them whenever we'd like. They're great for parties, gifts, etc.